Right, we stopped by the side of the road. Mummy, can you get the baby?
I can get her.
We stopped by the side of the road. There's some JCBs. If anyone knows where we are, put it in the comments. Shout out. Big up. We're going to win it this year, guys. We're going to win. Jamaica for the World Cup. Oh.
Dad, I see another.
Oi, what are you wearing? Can't get into the shot, Hazy?
Um,
What you got on there then?
I'm Jamaican.
Yeah, and what do you sing when we see it? We sing
England.
England. No.
It's the wrong team.
It's the wrong one. You say
Jamaica, Jamaica. Theo, have you seen all these vehicles over here? No. Look at them.
Check them out,
What
man.
ones are they? What ones can you see?
I see that one. I see an X2 excavator.
And anything else? What else do you see?
I see
Because you know all these machineries. Hi.
Dad, I see another tire.
Oh, alright, cool. We're gonna get out.
Hi. Right, come on then.
Oh, well done.
Over there.
I can't see one.
And it was.
Look at the beautiful view. The eye being safe at all times. Away from the road.
Well, I'm trying to film it. Here you go. There you go.
Yeah?
Yeah, check it out. Stand in front of the fire. I'm gonna film this, not anybody else. What do you say? Oi, get him away from that hot pot if he falls on that, mate.
Careful, Hayes, because I'm opening it. Yeah. There we go. To be honest, I can't remember what she said. Oh, the man, sorry. The man.
Huh? We're at the spot at Spur Tree.
Yay! We just got our food. We got some soup and we got some chicken.
Melly's very crying. What's that?
Can I have some fried chicken?
Nelly, look, look. That's it. You better now, Mel.
Ooh, look at that.
Wow. Are you too hungry?
Does it make you feel hungry? Unless you want to sit down there.
Nah, I was gonna go. Yeah, what? Hey, where's her sandal gone? I can see it. Hazel, sit down. You want to sit there? Hazel, moving a bit.
Theo, mind your feet and the soup. Yeah? Yeah?
So good. Alright.
Is it nice? How is it? Yeah? You happy? Is it nice and crunchy? Yeah? Good. Do you want to swap out? Get out.
Yeah, can.
There goes Daddy. Melody's lost the Croc. You're going across to get it? No? It's not there? Well, the Croc's not over there? It must be in the car. It must be in the car.
That's why he was calling other geezer not for the shoot. What's that? Yeah, no, he was telling because he's blocked in that geezer trying to get out.
Hold on now, hold on.
Not me.
It's probably in the car.
It'll be in the car. Sounds like techno. Well, how do you like the chicken? What would you give it? A 10 out of 10?
I give it a 10 out of
10. T, what are you saying?
10. 10 out of 100.
10 out of 100? That ain't very good, is it? That's like 1 out of 10.
100 out of 100.
What would you give it, Molly?
Yeah, it's good. It's nice. Love it.
Is it finger licking good?
Yeah, it's really good. Really nice.
Alright, so I got this soup for me, really. Let's have a look. So I got this soup. It's well spicy.
Spicy.
Well, it ain't well spicy. It's a bit spicy. It's a little bit spicy.
Took away our fork.
Oh, so he's like whinging about the fork?
Yeah.
Cry baby.
Wave and say hello. Why you look so shy? Say hello.
Yeah, she stares a lot, don't she?
She
But
stares at everybody. Yeah. You sit down.
oh, you're gonna film me?
Can't even see anything. That's
No, that's
better.
why I'm doing all that. You can't see anything.
So
I was trying
bright.
to film me just drinking.
Sit down, T.
I can't. I couldn't. Can't
Sit down because the road's not safe
just
here.
point
Sit
it
down.
and try, hopefully you got something. You won't want this. Who wants to try this? It's well spicy. You stop whinging.
Just make sure you chew some up for her.
Alright.
How's it going, Haze? Yeah, I know you love your chicken. No, it's not. It's fine. You're good. T? Theodore? Don't. Put it down. Put it down.
What about me trying the shoe?
I'll study for another piece.
Hey, so what about we have to find a shoe?
The shoe is in the car, Theo.
Yeah, don't pick up an old chicken bone.
It's disgusting.
I've probably been there for like a month. No.
Just leave them there.
Here you go, Mel. Watch yourself.
Yeah, well. Good girl.
Oh wow, nice stone.
Well done, Hayes. You're doing a good job. I know.
Yeah, darling, one sec. Mommy.
Yeah.
I think I need
Yeah.
to be in the middle.
Why's that not?
That way I
T, sit down. Just stay sitting down.
Oh, hold him.
No, it's not. Stop him.
On your back.
Oh no, I ain't gonna get run over. I didn't ask because I'm an idiot.
We just stopped here on Spur Tree and we're at Lambada. Nice, nice food. We got some chicken and we got some soup.
Oh dear, that decent's got to go.
Yeah, be careful. It's all going on here. I'll tell you, the smell, lovely. Look at that cooking.
Did you have a nice time? All right, you ready to go? Yay! Did you hear that? Oh look, I'm just gonna film it here real quick. Come on, should we go? Hey, watch T. Nice meal.
Yes. You're in our party. You're not there, hey?
No, it wasn't there.
Sit down, Molly.
How many shoes are there?